Hi everyone, today I'm getting ready for a video shoot and I want to show you exactly how I prepare my skin. I'll be listing all the products I use as we go. First thing first, we have to start with a clean canvas. I have a bit of buildup on my skin, so I am starting with the Pixi cleansing oil. Next, I'm following up with a Pixi makeup wipe to make sure every last bit of impurity is gone. To get that instant glow and a smooth finish, I'm using the Pixi Peel and Polish. This is perfect for when you're getting ready because you just massage it in and it quickly removes dry, dead skin cells, leaving your face feeling polished and resurfaced. Using a water-based wipe, I wipe all my face. My skin feels so refreshed. I can almost feel it pulsing. Now, you prep the skin before the makeup goes on. I'm using the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. You can use this at night after cleansing or like I'm doing now as a primer prep. For my base, I'm using the Pixi Flawless Beauty Primer. It mattifies the face and minimizes pores as much as possible. It's made with natural oils and no harsh chemicals. You can even use it throughout the day over your makeup to keep everything looking fresh. For foundation, I like to keep it quick. I'm using the Pixi Underglow Moisture Stick. It's super hydrating and gives the skin a beautiful natural tint. I'm using the Porcelain shade, which has a lovely pink undertone that suits my skin perfectly. Before I fill in my brows, I like to set them in place. I'm using the Pixi Brow Tamer. This gel is natural, chemical-free, and keeps your brows exactly where you want them all day long. For eyes and cheeks, I am diving into the Pixi Plus Hello Kitty Anywhere palette. It adds perfect amount of color and shimmer to any part of the face. For my eyebrows, I am filling it with Anastasia Beverly Hills gel. Time for lashes. I'm applying the Pixi Mascara, followed by their Silky eye pen in black for the eyeliner. To make the look pop a little more, I am adding a touch of blue liner underneath. For the lips, I'm using the Pixi Lip Lift Max in the shade Rose. It's natural gloss that adds volume and gives the lips a nice natural lift. To lock everything in, I'm finishing with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. This ensures my makeup stays put and doesn't smudge, regardless of heat, sweat, or pollution. I absolutely love Pixi products because they are affordable, natural, and cruelty-free. Plus, the packaging is so chic. I'll link all these essentials in the description below. See you in the next video.